What's your name?
Caitlin.
Jocelyn.
Jocelyn.
Say Josie.
Jocelyn.
And who are you?
Annie.
And what are you guys going to do? Count to
5.
Alright. Ready to go?
5. Yeah.
How many is this?
1.
How many?
2.
Say 2, Emmy.
2.
Alright. How many?
3.
Emmy, how old are you?
5.
How many?
4.
Emmy, how old are you going to be this summer?
3.
No, 4.
4.
How many?
5.